In this section, we are going to look at how to calculate HR to employee ratio. We have our data set here, the company and its branches from 1 to 29 branches across various regions. We have the Western region, the Eastern, the Central region, Ahafo, Ashanti, Northern region as well. Then the head count, the total number of employees at each branch. We also have our HR staff at each branch. So to calculate for the HR to employee ratio, we have the formula here. I'm going to paste it. We Then you press enter. We have the formula in the Excel workbook, so you can copy and just paste the formula. So here what happens is we are using the substitute and the test function. Then our HR staff 1 divided by 223. Then we are converting it to ratio. So we have 1 is to 223%, meaning to each employee we have 223 employees in that organization. The HR department has only 1 employee and he or she is supervising 223 employees in that organization. Then in branch 2, we have 2 employees is to 591, meaning the number of employees at the HR department, which is 2, are supervising 591 employees. Then branch 3, we have 9 HR employees supervising 999 employees, which we have 1 is to 111%. So according to industry benchmark, 1 employee is to 100 employees. 1 employee is to 100 employees. So you realize that in branch 1, there is going to be possible work overload on the HR employee. So presumably we are to have 2 employees in branch 1. Let's look at branch 2. We have 2 employees handling 591 employees. So here, according to the industry standard, we are to have approximately 5 employees handling this number of employees, the 591 staff. Let's look at branch 3. We have 9 HR employees handling 991. So here, each employee is approximately handling 111 employees here, which uh, if we should benchmark it according to the industry standard, it quite make a lot of sense. You could go further to the branch 4. We have 6 employees, HR employees handling 620 employees in the organization. So we have 3 employees is to 310, meaning the 3 employees are handling 310 employees. Each employee is handling 110 employees. Each employee is handling 110. So for the 3 employees here, the 6 employees that we have, the 6 employees that we have here, if we should break it down further, every 3 employee is handling 310 employees. So it goes on and on. 7 employees, every 7 employees are handling 741 employees. So this is the rationale behind calculating HR to employee ratio. How many staff in the HR department is handling an equal number of staff in the organization. In the next section, we are going to look at absenteeism rate.